Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, good morning everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Neng Bella. I am from Asia Bandung University. I am here today to present about postpartum care. This style is divided into five main parts. First style, I would like to look at definition of postpartum care. Secondly, I will be talking about why is postpartum important. Thirdly, how many visit in doing postpartum care. My PowerPoint will be about who is going to handle the postpartum care. Finally, I will be looking at what are the treatment for doing postpartum care. My presentation will take about 5 minutes. At the end of my talk, there will be a chance to ask questions. Here we can see on the slides 1. Next, definition of postpartum care. Postpartum is the period after childbirth, can also be called. The puerperium is the period after childbirth that is needed for the recovery of the 6 weeks old uterus. Postpartum is the period of 6 weeks from the birth of the baby to the organ's reproduction until it returns to its normal pre-pregnancy state. If you look at these slides, next, as you can see here, postpartum care is important. Why? Because postpartum is also known as the puerperium period, namely the post-delivery condition until it returns to its pre-pregnancy state usually occurs between 4 to 6 weeks. During this puerperium, the reproductive organ will gradually return to normal before pregnancy, the so-called involution period. Broadly speaking, there are two important things that need to be considered in postpartum mothers, namely their physical and physiological condition. If we look at these slides next, postpartum 2 hours after delivery of the baby is the most critical time that requires close supervision. Within these 2 hours, blood pressure was monitored closely every 50 minutes. Body temperature every 4 hours for the first 8 hours and then every 8 hours for the next 8 hours. The contraction and size of the uterus are observed. The amount of vaginal bleeding is monitored. If necessary, medication is given for uterine contraction to prevent bleeding. 2 hours after it was confirmed that there were no complications due to childbirth, they were allowed to eat calories up and protein needed a little more. Iron supplements are needed for at least 3 months postpartum. If you look at these slides, next, how many visit in doing postpartum care? First visit. Postpartum visit is a form of health behavior after 6 to 8 hours of delivery. Second visit. Ensure normal uterine involution, uterine contraction fundus down. Third visit. After that, the third visit, which is a visit, is carried out 2 weeks after delivery. The purpose of the visit is the same as the point applied to the second visit. Fourth visit, provide counseling for family planning early. If you look at these slides, next, who is going to handle the postpartum care? In fact, in post-work, the midwife does the work, but it is returned to herself, even through her with the relief pain and allowed to go home. He was still under the supervision of the midwife. If you can see, next, what are the treatment for doing postpartum care? Number 1, treatment labor wounds. 2. Postpartum infection prevention. 3. Breast care. 4. Treatment of urinary disorder. 5. Treatment for emerging contraction. 6. Skin care. 7. Treatment for hot dates ever. 8. Overcome constipation. 9. Mother mental health. Then 10. Check with the gynecologist. Finally, thank you for your attention. Are there any questions? Okay, if it's not there, I will just end the presentation about the postpartum care. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.